More on Japan's recent GDP figures and the outlook ahead. We spoke with
Today, Japan is no longer the third largest economy in the world.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Japanese economy, a powerhouse of innovation, tradition, and resilience. Now, join us as we unravel the mysteries behind this economic giant. Welcome to Live Economic News. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. In the 1980s, Japan Inc. became well known for what was perceived in the West as an unfair alliance between government bureaucrats and corporations, leading to trade policies that were considered questionable. Yet, Japan's extended recession in the 1990s weakened the influence and standing of Japan Inc. Japan has experienced significant changes that have reduced the prominence of the Japan Inc. stereotype in the country's business culture. One of the main aspects of Japan Inc. was the significant influence of Japan's trade ministry, which steered Japan's progress in the years following the war through a strategy of export-driven expansion, famously called the Japanese miracle. A surge in growth occurred as a result of American investment post-war and government regulation of the economy. The Japanese government limited imports and encouraged exports, while the Bank of Japan engaged in aggressive lending to companies to boost private investment. The close collaboration between corporate executives and government officials led to the government creating successful outcomes. One key feature of Japan Inc. was the establishment of institutionalized business alliances among companies, known as keiretsu, which played a significant role in Japan's economic landscape. Japan's economic success led to the rise of Japan Inc. and continued until the 1991 Japanese financial crisis. During the 1970s, Japan had the second largest gross national product, GNP, following the United States. By the late 1980s, Japan ranked first in GNP per capita globally. During the early 1990s, Japan's economy experienced a slowdown, leading to what is referred to as Japan's lost decade. The increase was mainly a result of speculation during a period of economic growth. The stock market and real estate speculation were fueled by historically low interest rates, leading to inflated valuations in the 1980s. The government's efforts to boost the economy through public works projects were not successful. Moreover, the BOJ's delayed intervention could have triggered the crisis. Japan's finance ministry has decided to increase interest rates in order to address speculation that led to a stock market crash and debt crisis due to borrowers defaulting on debt supported by speculative assets. This triggered a banking crisis, resulting in industry consolidation and government bailouts. Throughout the lost decade, the economy experienced stagnation due to low growth and deflation. Stock markets were close to all-time lows, and the property market struggled to return to pre-boom levels. During the crisis, Japanese consumers increased their savings and decreased their spending, leading to a decrease in aggregate demand and deflation. Consumers saved more money, leading to a deflationary spiral. Blamed for the lost decade were the country's aging population, Japan's reluctance to raise the retirement age and increase taxes, and unrealistic monetary policy. Here's an exhaustive exploration of everything you need to know about Japan's economy. Economic structure and size. Japan is a powerhouse in the global economy, with the third largest nominal GDP and the fourth largest GDP by purchasing power parity, PPP. The main drivers of its economy are advanced manufacturing, technology, and services sectors. Major industries comprise automobiles, electronics, robotics, machinery, and finance. Industrial excellence. Japan is known for its impressive industrial strength, with renowned companies such as Toyota, Honda, Sony, Panasonic, and Mitsubishi Electric at the forefront. These companies have established worldwide benchmarks for quality, innovation, and efficiency in their specific industries, solidifying Japan's status as a center of technological advancement, trade, and global integration. Japan, being a highly export-oriented economy, has established strong trade relationships globally. It has established solid connections with key trading allies like the United States, China, and countries in the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. Major exports consist of automobiles, electronics, machinery, and precision instruments. Demographic challenges. One of the major economic issues in Japan is its aging population and low birth rate. The demographic makeup of the country presents major obstacles to maintaining economic growth, with a decreasing workforce and increasing healthcare expenses, putting pressure on public finances. Japan has been exploring strategies to address these issues, including increasing immigration and encouraging workforce participation among women and seniors. Government intervention and policy. The Japanese government actively guides the economy by implementing industrial policy, infrastructure development, and fiscal stimulus measures. The Bank of Japan (BOJ) enacts monetary policies to control inflation, stabilize financial markets, and bolster economic growth. Moreover, Japan has initiated structural reforms to boost competitiveness, deregulate important sectors, and promote entrepreneurship. Fiscal concerns. Japan continues to grapple with ongoing fiscal challenges, marked by significant public debt in relation to GDP. Tackling this problem involves finding a careful equilibrium between financial consolidation measures and promoting economic growth. Policymakers are faced with the challenge of balancing public spending, boosting tax revenues, and enacting structural reforms to maintain fiscal stability. Technological innovation. Japan continues to lead in technological innovation, with substantial investments in research and development (R&D) across different sectors. The country is a leader in areas like robotics, biotechnology, renewable energy, and advanced materials. Partnerships among industry, academia, and government promote innovation, creating a culture of ongoing improvement and technological progress. Resilience and adaptability. Japan has managed to overcome economic challenges through its resilience and adaptability, which have been key to its success. Throughout its history, the nation has faced economic crises, natural disasters, and geopolitical uncertainties with strength and resolve. Japan is moving towards sustained prosperity and global leadership by embracing innovation, fostering human capital development, and nurturing a spirit of collaboration. 6 facts about Japan's economy, the third biggest in the world. Number 1. Keiretsu system. Japan's economy operates under the Keiretsu system, where businesses and suppliers are interconnected and maintain close relationships with each other. These relationships frequently go beyond simple business transactions and include mutual shareholdings, interlocking directorates, and long-term partnerships. Keiretsu networks play a role in maintaining stability and fostering collaboration in Japan's corporate environment, although they have been criticized for potentially stifling competition and innovation. Number 2. Shrinking workforce. Japan is currently dealing with a demographic challenge marked by an aging population and decreasing birth rates. This demographic trend has resulted in a decrease in the workforce and shortages of labor in different sectors such as healthcare, construction, and hospitality. Japan has put in place measures to boost workforce involvement from women, seniors, and immigrants, alongside investing in automation and robotics to counter labor shortages. Number 3. Abenomics. Named after Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, Abenomics encompasses a series of economic strategies designed to rejuvenate Japan's economy. Abenomics is built on 3 main pillars: monetary easing, fiscal stimulus, and structural reforms. The policies aim to address deflation, boost growth, and improve competitiveness by implementing strategies like quantitative easing, investing in infrastructure, and reducing regulations. Abenomics has been somewhat successful in increasing stock prices and corporate profits, but its lasting effects on economic growth and inflation are still being discussed. Number 4. Lifetime employment. In the past, numerous Japanese companies have followed a tradition of offering job security to employees by hiring them straight out of school and keeping them until retirement. This system encourages employee loyalty, stability, and a solid work ethic. Nevertheless, it has faced criticism for hindering mobility and innovation in the labor market, as workers might hesitate to switch jobs or pursue entrepreneurial ventures. Number 5. Economic resilience. Despite encountering various obstacles such as natural disasters, economic downturns, and geopolitical conflicts, Japan has shown impressive resilience and flexibility. The nation's solid social safety net, strong infrastructure, and skilled workforce have allowed it to overcome challenges and remain a key player in the global economy. Japan's knack for innovation, collaboration, and adaptation highlights its ongoing resilience and importance in the global economy. Number 6. Strong industrial clusters. Japan boasts numerous robust industrial clusters known as keystones, which are defined as geographic concentrations of interconnected industries and businesses. Some examples are the Kaihin Industrial Zone, which focuses on automobiles and electronics in Tokyo and Yokohama, the Henshin Industrial Zone in Osaka and Kobe for machinery and steel, and the Chubu Industrial Zone in Nagoya for automotive and aerospace industries. These clusters encourage teamwork, creativity, and efficiency within their industries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on global economics, business trends, and cultural insights. Do you have any questions or thoughts on Japan's economy? Feel free to leave them in the comments below.